Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, LadySamoan, and we are back with another video. Y'all, I am so excited for this video. I am so excited. So as you can tell from the thumbnail, this is a huge Hobby Lobby unboxing of yarn. So a little quick backstory. I wanted to order some yarn from Ice Yarns because I wanted some colorful yarn. I wanted some different, like, just different patterns. So I was going for variegated and just some fun different colors because I want to get into like just mixing a whole bunch of different things. And I don't have a lot of variegated yarns in my stash. So I was like, okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to order from Ice. Now, I went to the Ice website because I think in some early on videos, I said that one day I'm going to order for Ice and I'm going to, you know, have it all situated because I know shipping is a little high. So I made it up in my mind. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do it. The thing is, with the Ice yarn, I was looking at the website and I found some beautiful, I mean absolutely beautiful yarns, because I'm a person that does like extensive research anyway. So I'm looking like hundreds of videos on Ice yarns just to see what people opinions are about some of the good yarns there. So I found a couple and I had it in my stash, but something pulled me to Hobby Lobby. So after being pulled to Hobby Lobby, I halted what I had in my cart for Ice yarn, and I was just like, wait a second, because one thing that I did not like as much was that I think they come in packages of like 4. Now the price, once you break it down, is not bad with Ice yarns, but I didn't need 4 of the same skeins because my goal is kind of like just to mix a whole bunch of different things. So I went to Hobby Lobby. Now, I always go into Hobby Lobby store, but I went online. And when I say, I think I was like a kid in a candy shop. It was like, I love online shopping, but I never experienced Hobby Lobby online, right? So I'm looking online and I'm just like, oh, okay. I like this, I like this, I like that. And before I know it, my Ice yarn order is similar to my Hobby Lobby order. And I'm like, and then I get a different variety of yarns. So that was one thing that I really had liked too. And it was a little more variety than what I would find in the actual Hobby Lobby store. So I made up my mind. We are here. I know I went around the block, came back, but we are here. And I have a Hobby Lobby unboxing. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm sitting on the floor, and I think from here on out, because I really like this setup, I'm sitting down and I'm just gonna enjoy unboxing this yarn with you guys, and let's get into it. So the box is right beside me, and I have my handy dandy little teeny scissors, and this is my first time opening the box. You can hear it, because I was like, at first I was just like, I want to open it so bad, but then I was just like, no, I'm gonna wait for the video, so we'll open it together. So I am excited. Like I said, this is my first time ordering online through Hobby Lobby, and it was a really good experience. I really liked it, and it came quickly too. So I want y'all to tell me while I'm taking all this out, have y'all ever ordered yarn from Hobby Lobby, and what was your experience like? Now, before we get into all of this beautiful yarn, I want you to know too, I am planning on making some hats. I'm going to stop procrastinating, guys, and get out the what's it called? Oh my goodness. I'm going to get out my Etsy shop. I have plans to want to get out a Love Plush pattern. Guys, I am like super busy, but what my plans is at the top of 2024 to have all of these sealed, signed, delivered, as in like just I get to get a little break, you know, for the holiday season. So I'm planning on doing a lot of things that I need to catch up on when it comes to my love for crochet. So be on the lookout for that. Let's get into it. So of course I have my packaging slip. And I did get a good bit of yarn, but honestly, I think I have a good price of it too. But we're going to dive into it together. And I love immediately how they package it. I wish I could have shown you guys, because everything is just laid out so beautifully. So I went with this yarn here, which is, I love this yarn, super soft, metallic. And this one, guys, is in the color Royalty. So you will see that some of them, I got 2 skeins of them because I am going to be making some ruffle hats. And the thing is, with the ruffle hats, you need a little more for the ruffles, depending on what kind of ruffles. And y'all see, I like all these curls. So the ruffles is like little curls to me, but I love those. So I got 2 of these in the Royalty color, which I think they're absolutely beautiful. I think I have that one already in white glitter. But keeping up with the metallic, there's some, I got 2 in the red color. Let's see, the color is red. So I have 2, and this is the Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. And for this order, I got all of the acrylic yarns, and I got weight 4 because I really absolutely love working with weight 4 size yarn. And when I was going to order with ice yarns, I was going to do the same thing. So I have 2 in the metallic red. And then I'm going to, hopefully they're all grouped together so that you guys can kind of see. Because I got a couple of them that are 2, but I don't think this one's the same. So another I Love This Yarn, Super Savings, super soft. And I got this one in, okay, let's see if it has a color. The color is Natural Stripe. So we have the Natural Stripe, which is a nice, you know, wintry fall color. Then this one has a little more darker blues. And I think all of them is this super soft, super saving I Love This Yarn, if I'm not mistaken. So this one is in Camel Stripe. Look at that, Camel Stripe. So we got this one in Camel Stripe with more of the intense blues coming through in this one. I really love this one too. And I've been making a lot of reversible brim beanies too. And I have an idea of making a reversible brim beanie in like a panda type style, because a friend of mine asked me for a panda hat. So I'm excited about that. Okay, moving right along. I think I have 2 of these too. This one is the Sand Dunes color. So I got this one in the Sand Dunes. Like I said, I went with a lot of variegated yarn in this order, guys. Look at that, Sand Dunes. Another one of the natural type colorways. Just looks so beautiful to me. Okay, so this one goes along with the Natural Stripe, the one I just showed you. So these go together. So I wanted to kind of show, because, and like I say, they package it well because most of them are side by side, which is good when I'm showing it to you guys. So we have the color City Beats. Look at that, City Beats. Oh my goodness. Now, I know I said I wanted to make a couple of hats, but I'm going to say too, I'll probably make a couple of four-way size love plushes out of these things too, because look at these colors. This City Beat one is beautiful. So we got that one. I'm sorry, I'm leaning up to put it. I want it nice and neat, but this is how the love plush right here. I did it in like a Garfield style for my husband because he wanted it as a keychain, and he didn't put it on his bag. He was going to wear it on his lunch bag, but I kind of stole it and put it on the shelf. But I may do some more in the wait for, because I love how they turn out. They're beautiful. So this one, I think they're the same here. We have it in Dakota. Look at y'all. Dakota. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And Hobby Lobby has so much to choose from when I was on their website. And I think I got a little bit out of hand because I was a little excited, guys. Okay. So now some of them I did not get. I would say some of them I did. I only got like 1 skein, but some I didn't. This is the Hobby Lobby Super Savers Soft 2. And this one is in, here we go, Brights. This is called Brights. And I think both of them are Brights. Yes, Brights. It says Brights. And if you look at that, like, I like how that looks as far as is just the way that it's, I don't know what to call. I don't want to use the wrong terms for it, but just the way that it looks. Let's go with that. I like that. So we got these 2 in the Brights color. Then I got one of these in blue camel stripe. Oh man. Okay. So this is another blue camel stripe, and looking at it, I already showed 2 blue camel stripes. So I must be got 3 blue camel stripes. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was thinking Hey, I love blue camel stripes. So then we have two of the glowing sienna sunflower, and this is the yarn bee. Yes, sienna sunflower and glowing. So sienna sunflower is the name, glowing is the yarn, like you see that. So the colorway is sienna sunflower. So glowing. I love this yarn, glowing. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness, this is, whew, I'm excited about these. So we had those two. I have another glowing in Sage in the Song. Look at that. Come through with the name, Sage in the Song. That is just absolutely beautiful. That's another glowing. Then I love this yarn, super soft, and we did this one in Jazz Stripe. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, it gave me a little shake. Jazz Stripe. That like a little colors mixed with naturals and everything is like absolutely amazing to me. So that is the Jazz Stripe one. We're going to move right along. So I have another one of the glowing, but this one is called Purple Multi. Purple Multi in the glowing. That is beautiful too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful yarn. So we have another glowing in Hello Shopping Spree. Okay, so this one reminds me of just what we doing right now. Y'all are on a shopping spree of yarn with me. This is absolutely beautiful. So I love shopping spree. And is this the same? Yes, so I got two of these. I got two of the shopping spree and glowing. So we have two of those. We have another glowing in Purple Multi. So I showed this one before, so I got two of those. We have glowing in Evening Glow. Okay, here comes the naturals with the oranges, the green. This right here is just like a beautiful herbal tea to me. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I really, really love this. So this is Yarn Bee glowing in Evening Glow. So, oh, and I have two of those too. I have two of those. So that's absolutely beautiful. It's going to be hard to use these yarns because they're so beautiful. And I'm like, I want to look at them. Okay. So we have Super Saver Print. I love this yarn colorway. Autumn Stripes. Hello. Autumn Stripes. This will make a nice Thanksgiving style. It don't have to be for Thanksgiving, but this will make a nice ruffled hat. Autumn. This one is in Autumn Stripe. I don't know if I have, I think I have two. Autumn Stripe. Yes, I have two in the Autumn Stripe. This will make a nice ruffle hat. I think it will make a nice bucket ruffle. So we have two of the Autumn Stripes. That's beautiful. Then I have, I'm sorry, y'all. Let's see. I hope y'all love yarn unboxings because this is a little long one. Jazz Stripe again. And I think I showed one of these before. So we have two Jazz Stripes. I'm thinking, there we go. I see her. I see her. Jazz Stripe. Yes. The naturals with the color. Love it. So we have another glowing in Sage of Song. So I showed this one before too. The Yarn Bee glowing Sage in Song. The names are just beautiful. I don't know who named, you know. I had shameless plug. I helped a friend with some of her candles that she make, and I'm gonna have to plug it in this video. She makes some beautiful candles in this based out of South Carolina. She has a website. It's called Own It Creations. OwnItCreations.com. Some of the best candle melts and candles. All right, so let's keep moving along. We have the print again for I Love This Yarn, and we have Songbird Stripes on this one. And I absolutely love the purples in this too with the natural colors. So we have one of those. Then I have two of the metallic in black. Two of the metallic in black, which I think the metallics are also very cool to sprinkle in some along with some other yarns. It gives it a little spice. Speaking of metallic, we have the metallic Christmas yarn. I think I got, let's see. Yes, I thought I had got two of these. So we have two of the metallic Christmas yarns. And I think those are absolutely gorgeous too. So we got two of those. I have 2 of the aqua and black super saver, super soft say. Oh, wait a minute. I pulled the wrong one. 2 of the aqua and black, and I really love how the black and the aqua mixed with a little white. Beautiful yarn. So we have 2 of those. The one that I wanted to show just now that kind of hopped out there was the, what is this? Let's see. Gray and black. The gray and black hair. Beautiful. Then I have 2 of, I don't know, when I did it, I was just like, oh, I have to get this. 2 of the camel. I don't know why I was excited about the camel style. It's the ombre in green camel. I love this yarn, ombre and green camel. I don't know why, y'all. I think this will make a cute ruffle hat as well. I know it'll be like kind of like wow, but camel is a thing. Maybe because I'm from down south that camel is definitely a thing. That's why I can really see it in a ruffle. I think it would be beautiful, and I'm going to make it as a ruffle. So then, just a few more left, guys. Thank you for sticking with me this long. We have 2 of the print in the colorway Sierra Stripe. Beautiful again. I don't know why it feels like I already have these 2. Maybe I brought 2 more by mistake. But hey, nothing is going to be a mistake because they will all get used. Beautiful. So then I have 2 more here in Aegean stripe. I'm going to just say Aegean stripe, y'all. I think that's what it says. And it's the I love this yarn, the Super Saver 2. These I really love because when you make the ruffle hats, you want a nice sturdy yarn, but it's a weight for it and it holds up good, but it's soft enough too. These are amazing. So we have that colorway, and one more that's hanging out in this big box. We'll go to the Songbird Stripes. And I love this yarn print. So we have it in Songbird Stripes again, which I think I have this one again in my stash. So like I said, I kind of made a huge order, but what was interesting was like the amount of yarn that I got, and for what I was going to pay for ice yarns, I got so many more variety options. And I kind of went like, because what I did was what I was going to pay for shipping and everything with ice yarns, I calculated up and did it with Hobby Lobby. And I kind of went the same direction as far as price wise. So I think I got a great deal and was able to get more variety. Now later on, I don't know when, I will try to make an ice yarn order, but it may be a small one because I don't like to have a lot of the same yarns because I don't make huge projects like that. Now, for people who make huge projects like blankets and clothing and different things like that, I think ice yarn would be ideal, you know. But for me, I like to mix a whole lot of things. And that right there to me was a little more worth going the Hobby Lobby route. And like I said, I had a great experience with Hobby Lobby online. And if you never shop Hobby Lobby online, I suggest it. I'm not getting paid to say that. I just want to tell you my experience, and it was a really good experience. So with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you, because like I said, I held it. I was like, no, I got to open this box with y'all. Although it's a difference from shopping online to getting the physical thing and looking through it, even though, because sometimes you forget what you order, and I don't know, for me, I get super excited again about what I ordered. So I thank you guys for being such a beautiful part of my amazing crochet family. Let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite websites to order from for yarn online, what you're working on, favorite project you're working on, some things, I don't know, the holidays are coming, maybe y'all have a long list of holiday makes. Just let's talk it out in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for being beautiful, being the amazing part of my crochet family, like I said. And I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and I will see you next time.